Morning. David Morales from Beta Batangas. I'm the referee of the two guiders, the red collar and the black shirt. This is the battle of the banners. I will want to place my weight on the red trunks, the white shoes. Solito Manalo. And the black order wearing black shirt and red slippers. John Hernandez. No. Wala pa pare ko. Ang ating alas ito din dito yung blood ng foul. Fight! Time out. Drink some water. Fight! Oh, sorry. Yan! My God! Ayusin nyo at ano mo kami. Ano mo? Hey, you introduce sir. The fight is the winner. And the winner is tie. Hindi naman niya, para naman nung kayo eh. Naman na, ano yan?